In the name of God. Hello students. Here you observe smear of peripheral blood. Today we want to talk about blood. We have three types of cells inside blood. Most frequent are red blood cells that are permanent cells inside blood and don't leave blood in usual position. Okay? Look at the red blood cells. They are cells, the red blood cells are cells without nucleus. They are nucleated and packed with one eosinophilic protein. We call it hemoglobin. Also, we have platelets inside blood. Platelets or thrombocytes are the cells responsible for coagulation, and they are small cells, 2-3 micron smaller than the other cells. And we have here aggregation of platelets or thrombocytes. These cells also are anucleated, they have no nucleus. So red blood cells and platelets have no nucleus. And the third type of cells are white blood cells or leukocytes. Leukocytes are two types: mononuclear, that including lymphocyte and monocyte, and polymorphonuclear or granulocytes, that including neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. Most frequent white blood cell in the blood are neutrophils. 60 to 64% of the white blood cells in the bloodstream are neutrophils. They have segmented nucleus, 3 to 5 segment, and the cytoplasm is full of neutrophilic granules, okay, pink granules. And after neutrophil, the most number of cells are lymphocytes, mononuclears. Lymphocytes are as the same size of one red blood cell, and they have a prominent nucleus, occupied most volume of the cell, rim of cytoplasm, thin layer of cytoplasm surrounding this nucleus, and the nucleus is heterochromatin and dark blue. Okay, and after lymphocyte 20 to 25% of white blood cells in the blood smear are lymphocyte in normal position, normal condition. After lymphocyte, 5% of white blood cells are monocyte. Monocyte are the largest white blood cells in the blood smear and largest cell in the blood smear, 20 micron, with a kidney-shaped, bean-shaped nucleus. And nucleus is has less chromatin than lymphocyte, so is paler than lymphocyte, nucleus of lymphocyte. And the cytoplasm is gray, light blue. Okay, it has vast cytoplasm. Look at this, that lymphocyte and monocyte are agranulocyte, so they haven't no specific granules. But neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil are granules. They have a specific granule. They are neutrophil granules, they are eosinophil, same with eosin, and they are basophil, same with hematoxylin or basic dyes. Look at this eosinophil, 2 to 4% of the white blood cells are eosinophil. Nucleus is two segmented, and the cytoplasm full of eosinophilic granules that has a specific major basic protein rich in arginine, and it's very important in killing helmintic and is very important cell. And basophil also has segmented nucleus, two segmented, but because the cytoplasm is full of basic granules, it covers nucleus, okay? So nucleus is not obvious in basophil. Eosinophil 2 to 4% and basophil only 0.25%. So in normal peripheral blood smear or of many people we cannot find basophil, but neutrophil are the most white blood cells in the peripheral blood smear. Here you can observe the cells twice again. It shows you one monocyte with bean-shaped nucleus, vast cytoplasm. It shows you lymphocyte with darker nucleus and a rim of cytoplasm surrounding it. You can find also medium-sized lymphocyte that are larger or larger lymphocyte, but usually the lymphocytes are small size, as the same of red blood cell or as a little larger. Look at the neutrophil with pink-like granules inside cytoplasm, and it is one hypersegmented neutrophil that segmented of nucleus are 5. That is an old neutrophil. Hypersegmented neutrophil means old neutrophil. It's eosinophil with three segmented nucleus and granules, eosinophilic granules. It shows you basophil. Look at the basophil, eosinophil, and neutrophil, monocyte, and lymphocyte. In women, one of the X chromosomes you can find, such as this, we call this sex chromatin or drumstick. It's one drumstick in neutrophil. One of the X chromosomes in the women are inactive, so we can find like one drumstick in one segment of the nucleus. Goodbye and be successful.